To start with, you have a 6mm Allen head right here, and you're just going to place that in there, remove it, set the bolt aside. You got the harness right here, and there's a tab on the back. You're going to squeeze it with your thumb, pull up, pull out the ignition coil. To remove the spark plug, you have a 5/8 spark plug socket. When installing your new spark plugs, the gap on this car and the spark plug is 0.039 inches to 0.043 inch. But with an iridium or a platinum plug, you're not supposed to use a gapper due to the delicateness of the tip of that spark plug. So what I like to do is I line all my spark plugs up when I'm doing a 4-cylinder, 6-cylinder, 8-cylinder, and give them a quick visual. Sometimes I'll use a surface that I can see the gap and see that they're all pretty much equal. Should be all set. Start it by hand, so that way you don't do any cross-threading. I like to snug it right down to the actual compression gasket, then do it 1/8 of a turn. Before installing the ignition coil, see if it has any silicone paste or dielectric grease in there. If it doesn't, add a little bit, just a tab, then you can go ahead and place your ignition coil. Let it slide down, bottom out, install your harness. You'll hear a click. Install your mounting bolt. There is no torque specs, so they just want you to bottom it out and then just give it a little tweak. Now you can follow suit and do the rest to the spark plugs all the way around, and the V6 is easy to get to. You do not have to remove the upper intake. You can get to it right there.